Hello. Update on my Salmon Pink Bird Eater. So I fed it a cricket that was almost the size of the tarantula. I pre-killed it because I didn't have anything really smaller at the moment. So what I did is, as you saw, I put that in and I put a water bowl. That's sort of a hide for it if it wants to dig it out because I put a little dirt in it. So here's what's left of the cricket. Oh my god. Whoa. That's the cricket right there. That is the cricket. Wow. It's nice. Just shredded. It's like out. So, it's a very big spider. Yeah, its abdomen is a lot larger now. These things grow up to 6 inches in a year. That's like really fast. On my hand, I think it's gonna molt soon, which is normal for a sling. I consider this a sling. I don't know about you guys. This thing's about an inch by an inch. I really want this to be a female. I don't know. It's very cute. Seriously though, if this is a female, it's growing to 10 inches. I would have to hold it with 2 hands. It's crawling up my arm. Tiny little spider right now. So yep, just an update on this spider. Brand new Salmon Pink Bird Eater. That's all I have to show, so bye.